Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Instagram Reels up to 3 minutes long. So first of all, what you have to do is open Instagram application on your phone and then tap on the plus icon on the bottom center of your screen. Click on the plus icon. It will open the screen. Now from here, most of the people make a mistake. They try to find 3-minute option on this section, but you will not see 3-minute option on this section. To find the 3-minute, or if you want to upload the reels up to 3 minutes long, what you have to do is go to the reel section on the bottom. So swipe right, go to the reel section, and then once you're in the reel section, what you have to do is click on the drop down menu, and then you'll be able to see an option called length. Simply click on length option. I think they have removed the option to upload 3 minutes long reels, so you can upload up to 90 seconds. Click on the 90, and then what you have to do is simply record your reel. Or if you do not want to record your reel, simply swipe up and select the reel or select the video from your gallery, and that's simply how you can make Instagram Reels longer. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.